Contains part #S, 8701-250, 7401-250, 2611-200S1, and 0301-200. Ideal for professionals, homeowners, and DIY enthusiasts. For a very tough, continuous use. Solid style, forged. Plastic-coated handles. Knipex Tools 9K008094 US Cobra Combination Cutter and Needle Nose Pliers 4-piece set. Knipex 9K008094 US 4-piece pliers and cutter set includes 8 long nose pliers W12 AWG stripping hole, 2611-200S1. 10 diagonal cutter, 7401-250. 10 Cobra adjustable pliers, 8701-250. 8 combination pliers, 0301-200. Knipex 9K008094 US 4 Pc Pliers Set. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent. Knipex are some of the best in the business. The Cobras have been my go-to pliers for months, so I decided to try some other Knipex products. Boy, I was not disappointed. Everything in this pack is absolutely fantastic. Cutters are sharp and long, might not fit everywhere, but I sure can get some leverage out of them. Everything feels solid and tight. Highly recommend this product. I'm going to keep adding to my Knipex collection.